Today's first question is asked by Pawan Bhatt. He is asking, what should be my first programming language? Which programming language should I know to bag an internship at good companies, example Google, Microsoft, Facebook, as a student? And which language is widely used in software and earns more salary? Pawan, your question is basically an amalgamation of too many questions and you seemed very confused. So let's answer your questions one by one. So the answer to your first question, that what should be your first programming language, is whatever language you are being taught in your college or in your course which you are doing. As you have mentioned in your question that you are a student, so whatever language is being taught in your college should be your first programming language, which is by default. So if you are good in that programming language, that should be enough for bagging an internship in any good company. So I'm joining your second question also in this, that what language should you learn or how you should get internship in good company. So basically programming language doesn't matter much. Most of the companies who hire, they give programming test in different languages. They say that you can choose whatever language you choose, but you have to solve some problems. So most of the problems are related to data structures, algorithms, and those kind of competitive programming questions. Basically for these companies like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, for internship or for hiring freshers, they give these kind of tough questions or these kind of questions where you have to showcase your logical thinking capabilities or your analytical thinking capabilities in terms of programming using data structures and algorithms. So it doesn't matter which programming language is your first programming language. Whatever programming language you choose or whatever programming language are taught in your college can be used for giving interviews in this company or these companies. Now the answer to last part of your question, that which language is widely used in software and earns more salary, is whatever language you are good at. So for you, it should be whatever language you are good at. If you are good in C# or if you are good in C++, you will be able to earn good salary in that language. If you are not good in that language, then it doesn't matter. But if you are talking about numbers, so all the languages have their own uses and different implementations. So if you are talking about Python is mostly used in scripting and machine learning. Nowadays it is being more popular in machine learning and data analytics. If you talk about C# and .NET, it can be used everywhere, as I promote in all my videos. So it can be used to develop web application, desktop application, games, machine learning, data analytics. Everywhere you can use C#, but it primarily depends on the company's specifications, or I can say not specification, it primarily depends on company's capabilities, their budgets, and what kind of resources they have available in the market. So there is no one single language or framework which I can say that it is widely used. But when we talk about MIS based application development, C#, JavaScript, C#, Java are mainly used for backend services, backend application development, or WinForms or web forms development. And for front-end development, most of the JavaScript based technologies are used in case of web applications or websites. When you talk about machine learning, of course, Python these are the popular choices. So there is not one specific language which you can say can be used or it will help you earn more salary. Earning salary primarily depends on your capability, the capability of the person, not the programming language. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.